sir. So one Coke,
Gracias.
lime like this.
That's for you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay, that's okay. I got it.
Thanks.
Thank you so much. Cheers.
Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. Make sure you stay till the very end where I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. Today for Appies with Chappie by the Lake, I'm going to do some chicken wings and I'm going to toss them in a whiskey maple barbecue sauce. First up, we're going to make a drink. I call this a low calorie apple Moscow Mule. So we need good Moscow Mule. You need a copper mug to keep it nice and cold. And we're just going to build this over ice. We're going to go 1 ounce of vodka. That's the Moscow part of Moscow Mule. And then I got a whole lime here. I like to cut them the opposite way as you would an orange or a lemon. And then a good tip, if your limes aren't that juicy, give them a roll. Still not juicy, nuke them in the microwave for like 5 seconds. So this is the juice of a whole lime, but a not very juicy one. All right, we got that lime business out of the way. Just going to do a splash of apple brandy. And then we'll do a splash of some low sugar apple juice. And then we're keeping it low calorie. So I'm substituting the ginger beer for Canada Dry, a 0 sugar ginger ale. You might argue it's not technically a Moscow Mule without the ginger beer, but you're saving on calories. Alrighty, and I have a lime wedge. And normally for this drink, I also do a cinnamon stick as a garnish, but I found a nice apple blossom to go with the apple Moscow Mule theme. It's right from this my apple tree right here, starting to blossom. So I had a nice apple blossom as a garnish. All right, and that's my low-calorie apple Moscow Mule. Coming up next, I'll show you how I made the chicken wings, and we'll go back to the lake for the money shot. Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki.